We're here at JCB Golf and Country Club talking to winner of last year's Amenity Sprayer of the Year award, Dan Waring. We're here to understand how Dan approaches different spray situations and the science behind why all that works. Fairways and fringes are much easier areas to target with a larger leaf surface area, so it's more for you to hit that target, but they're not without their challenges. You need to stay ahead of golf, you don't want to be disrupting that. Higher potential for drift before going faster speeds, and also potential undulations and ledges as well. Dan, what would be your top pointers in this kind of situation?
Know your areas. I think it's very important to map your areas out, know where your areas are. You know then where your tank size should get you to. You then know the problem with your sprayer. Watch your speed, again, very similar to greens. Particularly if you use like an auto rate controller or a GPS controller, that's going to have to compensate for you increasing that speed. So that's going to increase your pressure, increase your likelihood of drift, get that off-target application, and then just be safe. It's a bigger area. It's very easy to get carried away, try and get ahead of that golf. With GPS technology, it's very good. You know, if you get disrupted with golf, you know exactly where it's been because it's all on the computer system, on the sprayer.
Stop there, no, let golf pass, and then start where you...
Yeah, that's really useful for us on a busy golf day.
So, with longer leaves on a fairway height of cut, those medium to coarse droplets are going to do a much better job of keeping it on that slightly larger leaf, and then also you get the benefit of reduced spray drift. Using a water volume of 250 to 350 litres a hectare is going to give you really good coverage, but it's going to mean you don't get so much water on the leaf that you're leading to runoff and losing as waste. Lower water volumes mean a reduced number of loads, and so generally a reduced time to get out and complete the whole course application. But if you need to go with a larger water volume for a soil application, so 600 to 900 litres a hectare, that's going to give you those larger droplets. It's going to mean they don't stay on the leaf, they push down into the canopy, into the thatch layer, so much better for targeting there.